It's Accountech Bytes, your bijou blast through the latest in accounting technology with me, Tom Herbert, and a happy post-tax return deadline week to those who celebrate. Let's get cracking with the news, and we'll stay with the tax authority as HMRC has doubled down on agent web chat, so it's reducing access for agents to its telephone helplines and instead pushing them to digital services. Now, it is the way that things are going, but as I say, the majority view in the comments is that the agent web chat needs a little bit of work. So we shall see what transpires there. Let's get on to some new stuff. And practice management tool Client Engager has been adding new services, new functionality to its platform with plans to add HMRC 64-rate authentication and time tracking capabilities. Looks like they're building a really strong product there, so congratulations to the team there. Now, this one from LinkedIn influencer and sometime accountant and technology developer Jonathan Gaunt, who has let the cat out of the bag in terms of the fact that emails will be visible in Dext Prepare. So let's take a look at that if we're able. That looks pretty exciting. So interesting times ahead, say off the back of Dext's Chrome extension, the Dextension as it were. Looks like a lot is going on with that. What's new in Excel? So lots. We can't cover it all here, but some interesting highlights. The ability to sync forms data to Excel, so you can easily access all your form responses in Excel for the web. Date picker, insert pictures into cells. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Plenty more besides, so do check that out. A link to this and all the other stories in this video are in the description. This one from Aaron Patrick, aka the QuickBooks chap, about QuickBooks deep links. What they, you might ask? Well, here we go. He's got a spreadsheet. Harking back to the Excel point there. He's got a spreadsheet here with the QuickBooks deep links that can take you to a specific page. So here he is going to a receipt here for a client. Here it is loading up, and there it is. Let's just skip on. So how could that be useful, taking you to a specific point in QuickBooks? Well, he comes up with a couple of examples, including a dashboard for each client. Obviously, the client's name has been removed there, but yeah, allowing you to access different areas for each client. I guess it's cutting down on navigation time, but yeah, plenty more in the video there. I featured a blog from Harold Sharp and their tech lead Ryan Alderson a few weeks back. They've released another one with a few tips to get you up from a sort of zero user to a power user, as it were. So it's a bit of extra functionality that you might not know existed. So, you know, batch payments, or payments abilities there, foreign exchange, tracking categories, budgets. So, yeah, lots of things like that. Really good to see sort of zero partners pushing the envelope here. There. Now, usually at this point, I harangue you to come to the Festival of Accounting and Bookkeeping, but I'm taking a little bit further here, and we've actually got a battle panel here for you. So let's look at one of the sessions where they're going to be debating working from home against working in the office. And two tax titans here, Paul Aplin and Emma Rawson, are going to be debating the different sides of the coin. I'm really struggling with this because I've spoken to both of them quite a bit, and they're both always right. So how on earth am I going to differentiate this? But as I say, if you're struggling as well, why not go along? You can register via this link here. I hope to see you in Birmingham. Speaking of summits, our friends over at FirmCheck, the AML tool that I wrote about towards the back end of last year, are having a 3-day AML Summit in 27th, 29th of February this month. So if you want more information, you can visit that. Again, link in the description. And finally, we've got an interesting thread on Reddit here about why accounting classes don't have applicable, tech skills they're talking about. The staff accountant here talks about Oracle and SAP. I guess they work for a big company. But actually, the responses are quite interesting. They talk about accounting principles, although they do mention Excel. So, yeah, interesting thread, interesting debate there about software skills. If you want to keep up to date with the fast-moving world of accounting technology, you can subscribe to my weekly tech email. Pop your address in the box there. Let the yellow button do the work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.